you are well. Today we are going to learn how to stitch. So you will see step by step how to stitch. So you need measure tape, chalk, pins, scissors and elastic and the pattern you cut last week. So what we are going to do, we open this. Can you see it? So you start with the middle part, that's called crotch, yeah, and this side. So with the chalk you will mark 1/2 inch. That's what you are going to take the seam. So you put your measure tape there, mark with the chalk, 1/2 inch. So it's easy when you draw a line and join them, so it's easy when you go on the machine, you can just follow the line. And you do the other side same, yeah, draw 1/2 inch. Because if you don't draw the line, and sometimes you can take 1 inch, sometimes you take more or less, it gives effect to your pattern and the fitting. Okay, so you stop here. Don't go all the way to the leg. Just finish all this. If you are not comfortable to leave like that, you can use your pin. You can pin like that all the way and then machine. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the sewing machine. You thread your machine, keep it ready, make sure your bobbin is full up. Don't worry that if it's less. So you can see the chalk line, put it like that, bring the needle down, yeah, and do few stitch. So just like that and go back to keep it more stronger, and you go slowly. Okay, so if you got a overlocker machine or zigzag, you can do on the edge. So it stop threading. Or when you wash it, it's more stronger. The thread doesn't come off. Okay. Same with the other side. The middle part is crotch. You go same, follow the chalk line, and you can take the pin out if you have got any, otherwise you'll break the needle. And always when you come end, you go end and go reverse and finish off. And same way you are going to do the edge, so you can have two lines of machine or zigzag here. So when you do zigzag, make sure you do zigzag on the edge, not the straight machine. You can see you have finished this side and this side. So when you have finished, open and you'll see 2 legs at the bottom. Yeah. So same thing, you hold it middle to middle, and at the end again you can do your chalk line if you want to, or if you are comfortable you can go straight machine. Yeah, forwards, backwards, and finish off all. So now we are coming in the corner. So when you come to the top, you just go slowly, make sure you put like that, yeah, on the other side, and you go slowly round. Sure is both the line. Okay, again you are going to do the same thing, either zigzag or the second line to here. Okay, so you have done that. You turn inside out, so you will have the front bit out, and this look like that. So here you look big, but when you put the elastic, it will get small like that. So now I'm going to show you how you are going to stitch the elastic and how much elastic you need. So you measure your waist. Mine was 34. Yeah? So I'm going to take less 4 inch. Yeah? So that was 34 and I'm taking 6 inch less or 4 inch because you can check the elastic how strong it is. So first you are going to round and stitch the elastic. So make sure you round it, stitch it forward. You make it strong 2 or 3 times so it doesn't go off. Okay, when you have done that, cut the thread. So before you start putting it, take 1/2 inch, you can iron there all the way and stitch on the edge. Can you see the edge? Not there. This is what you get. Now you are going to put the elastic. You have prepared it. So you put the elastic there, fold the waistband like that. Make sure you don't catch the elastic when you are doing it. So that's the line of the elastic. When you're doing, you can feel the elastic little bit up, and that's how you can start. Yeah, again you follow the machine line you have done before. So you put the elastic in like that. Make sure it's in the line. Okay, if you want to, if say you don't have an elastic at home, you can make a string from the material, and when you come here you leave a gap to put your string inside. See, leave a gap about 1 inch, reverse and forward, so you can put a string from there. See, that's your elastic. Put any string, whatever you got in your house, there with the pin. Okay. Now we are going to do the bottom. You try it on, or you just have to fold at the bottom. So first go 1/2 inch, just like that. Yeah, and you go all the way around. If you find easier, you can do iron so it stays there, and you go like that. See this, and you can measure it if you are not sure if half inch or not. So always keep the measurement there, and it's 1/2 inch, yeah. Do the second fold again how much you want. So if you want 1/2 inch, you just iron like that, or 1 inch iron, and that's your 1 inch. Yeah, so you put it back here and go all the way around. I'm doing the other leg same way. So first I'm going to fold 1/2 inch and go all the way around. This way you will do both leg, and then your pajama is finished. So when you finish your pajama, it look like that.